so or
Vamos.
The next day.
yesterday was a football match. I just saw. Probably drank a little bit more than I should have. Fine. So it means it's a bit more of a later start today. It was also the president election in America, so I did stay out watching that because I know most Americans don't watch the UK one, but a lot of the people in the UK will watch it because it is actually half important for us and the rest of the world, and also because I'm looking to study abroad. So if looking to do that, definitely matters. Good win for Liverpool. Really good win for Liverpool. 4-0 in hostile the section. It's a very good day. But now I need to go back, see if I passed the flat room inspection. Hopefully I did. So I can't be bothered if anything else. Telling me I did not pass, I didn't, but like, man, I'm 21. Don't need to inspect my room. But moving on from that, I also need today's going to be the day I'm going to be checking off all the exams, assignments I have. I've already did most of it. Today's the day I fully go through it to submit it tomorrow. So this is where I just read through, make sure I don't miss anything, have to describe a couple of graphs I think, and that's it. So that's the game plan. And also get a coffee and my vitamins and maybe go to the gym as well today. Yeah, that's it. So I just walked through the park and I remembered it was Bonfire Night yesterday, or Guy Fawkes Night, Bonfire Night, loads of different words. However, the park is more of a state than usual, as it's just filled with sparkle wrappers, firework wrappers, boxes, literally all over the place, even here. And the park is a lot worse than this as well. But I thought I should probably explain why. So, back in the day, the good old day, way back when, Mr. Guy Fawkes himself decided he wanted to blow up Parliament. Smuggled loads of gunpowder in, close to lighting it, got caught, had a fight, lost the fight. Then, as an act of defiance, that was his act of defiance. It was pure pettiness. The UK government politician decided, you know what, just use all that gunpowder, and that's how they're going to execute him with. So that's what they did, and caused a big explosion, and that's why we now have Bonfire Night. It's a remembrance for when Parliament, oh my god, it's blown up, but also because, you know, whatever best way to remember someone by setting off fireworks in remembrance of the way he got executed. In typical UK. It looks so much better on the old camera. Just fucking hope so though, wouldn't you? Who's celebrating? I might dual vlogging it. This is a dual vlog, I'm talking on the phone while also vlogging. So maybe love that fucking Luigi. Wait, can you see there you go. What? Stick my tongue up. Don't know what he say. Anyway, it's not actually this bright outside. It's actually a cool shot. Anyway, I'm going through the park. Probably gonna get hit with a firework. We'll see what happens.
That means that extra, extra.